Still wasting hours on emails, scheduling, and reports? If you're not using AI agents yet, you're already falling behind. But don't worry, we're about to show you exactly how to stay ahead in 2025. The world of artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace, and those who know how to leverage AI agents will be able to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. But how exactly do AI agents help? And why should you start using them now? Whether you want to automate repetitive tasks, boost productivity, or even create new sources of income, AI agents can make a huge difference. Today, we'll explain what AI agents are, how they differ from traditional AI tools, and the 5 most powerful ways to use them to stay ahead in 2025. Stick around until the end, because we'll also reveal an underrated AI agent that hardly anyone is talking about, but could be your secret weapon to success. Let's start our discussion with how AI agents are more than just chatbots. Many people are familiar with AI tools like ChatGPT, which can generate text-based responses. However, AI agents go beyond just answering questions. They can analyze situations, make decisions, and even perform tasks on their own without needing constant human supervision. While traditional AI tools require users to give commands repeatedly, AI agents can handle multiple steps automatically. Some of the most powerful AI agents available today include Auto-GPT, which can break down complex goals into smaller tasks and execute them autonomously. Devin AI, which functions as an advanced AI-powered software developer that can write and debug code independently. And Open Interpreter, an AI agent that can interact with various applications and control your computer to perform different tasks. These AI agents are important because they can replace entire workflows, allowing businesses and individuals to operate more efficiently. One thing is for sure, as these AI agents continue to evolve, those who integrate them into their daily work will have a significant advantage over those who don't. Now, let's take a look at the 5 powerful ways to use AI agents to stay ahead in 2025. 1. Use AI agents to automate repetitive tasks and save hours of work every day. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or even a busy professional, AI agents can handle tedious administrative work so you can focus on high-impact tasks that actually grow your career or business. Think about how much time you spend on things like responding to emails, scheduling meetings, compiling reports, and handling customer inquiries. These tasks might seem small, but they quickly add up, eating away hours of your day. AI agents can take over these repetitive processes, ensuring everything runs smoothly without your constant input. Instead of manually responding to the same types of emails or wasting time organizing your calendar, AI agents can do it all instantly, freeing up your energy for more strategic work. For example, integrating Zapier with ChatGPT allows businesses to create automated workflows where AI can instantly reply to customer messages, categorize emails based on urgency, and even send follow-ups without requiring human intervention. This is especially valuable for customer service teams, as AI agents can handle the majority of inquiries, reducing workload while improving response times. But automation doesn't stop there. Auto-GPT takes it even further by autonomously managing entire workflows. Imagine needing to conduct research for a project. Auto-GPT can gather data, analyze key insights, and compile everything into a structured report for you. It can also automate lead generation, schedule social media posts, or even track expenses, making it an all-in-one assistant for businesses and professionals. By leveraging AI agents for automation, you're not just saving a few minutes here and there, you're actually reclaiming hours every single day. And when you multiply that over weeks and months, the productivity gains are massive. If you want to start automating your workflow, Auto-GPT is one of the best tools to explore right now. Moving on, we will now take a look at the second way to use AI agents to gain an edge in 2025. Number 2. AI-powered personal assistants have evolved beyond simple task reminders. Today, they can act as smart assistants who manage schedules, conduct research, and even draft professional emails. These assistants can be especially helpful for busy professionals who need to stay organized and productive throughout the day. Imagine being able to receive a quick summary of an important report without having to read through dozens of pages, or having an AI assistant automatically schedule and rearrange meetings based on your availability. With AI agents handling these tasks, you can stay focused on high-priority work instead of getting distracted by administrative duties. So, if you need a reliable AI assistant, Devon AI is an excellent tool to explore. Now, did you know that AI agents aren't just making individual tasks easier? They're also helping businesses scale faster than ever. 3. Using AI agents to help your business grow. If you've ever struggled to keep up with customer inquiries, generate new leads, or create marketing strategies that actually work, AI can do the heavy lifting for you. And the best part? It runs in the background, working 24/7 without needing a break. Instead of spending hours analyzing customer behavior and market trends, AI agents can do it in seconds, helping businesses make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Take Open Interpreter, for example. This AI agent can gather and analyze data on competitors, provide real-time insights into market trends, and even suggest strategies to improve business performance. Just imagine having an AI assistant that constantly tracks your industry, tells you what's working, and helps you stay ahead of competitors, all while you focus on running your business. And let's talk about AI-driven chatbots. These aren't just basic bots that give generic answers. Advanced AI chatbots can now engage with customers, recommend products based on their preferences, and even guide them through the checkout process. This means businesses can offer personalized, instant customer support without hiring a huge team. In short, AI agents are not just helping businesses operate, they're helping them grow faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or running a large enterprise, integrating AI-powered tools like Open Interpreter into your workflow can be a game changer. Next, AI is also revolutionizing content creation, and this is another way to stay on the cutting edge in 2025. Number 4, use AI to make it easier to produce high-quality writing, videos, and designs. Creating high-quality content consistently can be time-consuming, but AI agents are making the process faster and more efficient. AI-powered tools can now generate blog posts, edit videos, create social media posts, and even design graphics with minimal human input. This makes it easier for businesses, influencers, and creators to scale their content production and increase their revenue. For example, AI writing tools like Jasper AI can generate blog articles, ad copy, and product descriptions in seconds, while AI-powered video tools like Pika Labs can edit and enhance videos automatically. For design needs, Midjourney can create stunning AI-generated artwork that businesses can use for branding, advertising, or social media posts. These AI agents not only save time, but also open up new creative possibilities. If you want to experiment with AI-powered design, Midjourney is one of the best tools available. Last but not least, AI agents can also be used for investing, side hustles, and building passive income. AI-powered agents are being used to predict stock market trends, automate e-commerce businesses, and even assist freelancers with their work. For instance, AI-driven trading platforms analyze massive amounts of financial data to provide real-time insights and predict market trends more accurately than human investors. AI agents are also being used in e-commerce by automating tasks such as product selection, inventory management, and pricing adjustments. If you're looking for an AI tool to assist with financial forecasting and business growth, Auto-GPT is a powerful option to consider. Now we have good news for you. Getting started with AI agents is easier than you think. If you're ready to start using AI agents, the good news is that many of them are easy to integrate into your workflow. The first step is to identify what you need help with, whether it's automating tasks, improving productivity, or growing a business. Once you know your goal, you can choose an AI agent that fits your needs. Many AI tools offer free trials or demos, so you can test them out before committing. Begin by using AI agents for a single task, such as automating emails or summarizing reports. As you become more comfortable with the technology, you can expand its use to more complex tasks. Since AI is constantly evolving, it's important to stay updated on new advancements to continue gaining a competitive edge. So, which AI agent are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI trends and strategies to stay ahead in 2025.